All right, boys, let's continue our study of these electromagnets from page 344 to 345. How does a loudspeaker work? Well, electromagnets are important parts of the loudspeakers in radios, televisions, and headphones. A loudspeaker is a device that changes electrical energy into sound. Sounds are produced when objects vibrate or move back and forth quickly. A device, such as a stereo, sends electric current to an electromagnet in the loudspeaker. The electromagnet is attached to a diaphragm. The diaphragm is the part of the loudspeaker that vibrates to create sound. The loudspeaker also has a permanent magnet. When electric current flows, the electromagnet is pushed and pulled by the permanent magnet. As the electromagnet moves, so does the diaphragm. The motion of the diaphragm produces sound. So you can see here, headphones are small loudspeakers with tiny electromagnets. So you probably didn't know that there were electromagnets in your headphones. And here you can see a diagram. And it says that electromagnets are used to make the sound you hear when you listen to music on a stereo or watch television. So you can see the diaphragm is this outer part, and you've got the wire wrapped around this iron core, so that when you want it to be switched on and the current runs through it, this magnet makes things move with the permanent magnet, creating your sound. Pretty cool, right? Okay, telephones. Telephones also rely on electromagnets. A telephone receiver is actually a tiny loudspeaker. When a friend calls you on the telephone, his or her voice is changed into electrical signals. Those signals travel as an electric current through telephone lines. When the signal reaches your telephone, the receiver uses an electromagnet to change the signals back into sound. A telephone mouthpiece is like a loudspeaker in reverse. Some contain a microphone. A microphone is a device that uses a magnet to convert sound into electrical signals. When you speak into the mouthpiece, a diaphragm vibrates. As the diaphragm moves, a magnet generates electrical signals in a wire connected to the diaphragm. Those signals are sent to your friend's phone through telephone lines. And you can see right here, there's the little loudspeaker, right? Tiny little thing inside the phone, and also a tiny little microphone. So, kind of a neat thing, right? You probably didn't realize that there's electromagnets at work inside these devices. Okay, back to